What's up, y'all? Thank you for watching. I'm going to show you how to put together or just give you the parts for the columns really quick, so it makes it easier for you to assemble and not have to follow. I mean, you can follow instructions, but you can also follow along with the video, which makes it a lot easier. So first off, we're going to start off with these T-nuts. The T-nuts are basically these things right here, and they go on the bottom of the columns. Okay, and then you're gonna get some lock washers. You want a lock washer with it, and then you'll be able to see them. And then these right here, you want to get the bolts. It's that bolt there, and the size bolt it's gonna be 5/16 and 1/4 inch black russet. 5/16 and 1/4 inch black russet. That's for the columns and also the cross members. Big old bag of washers, so it's the biggest bag of washers. That's the ones you want to get and use. Next is your screws. Your screws you want to be number 10 pan screws. It's going to be 1/4 inch. Next, you're going to get wood screws, number 8. It's going to be 1 1/2 inch. Okay, those are going to put these side pieces on right there. That's what you're going to put the side pieces on with the number 8 screws. Now these brackets right here, these brackets go on the bottom. This bracket goes on the bottom after you put these things in like this. So you match it up. I'm going to give you a quick illustration, and then I'm going to cut and take a break. Don't have much time on my camera, so we'll show you really quick. So what I do is I start off like this and knock them in there. Each one of these things here, you take lock washer, bolt washer. So, plate here. Trouble. Forgive me. I don't even have all my tools set up either too, but I'm just trying to give you a real quick illustration of what you would do. So that's basically what you do, and then you zip it in, tie it in, and then you throw your blocks like that on the bottom with your wood screws. This is what it looks like underneath the nice fancy wood base. As you see, the ends are on, the bottom, the mounting brackets. Now we're putting the sides on. Your Central Valley Honda dealers want you to have a safe and happy 4th of July holiday. To help, we're offering